What's up, guys? Just got back from Florida. I was down there for about 5 to 6 days for a massive car show. I trailered my car down there, and yeah, that's why you guys haven't seen content in the past week. So we're getting right back to it. Just got home last night, picked this thing up. You guys obviously know this car, the famous Urus. It's about to be like the fourth, fifth time I'm wrapping it probably. And so he pretty much got a Audi R8. It's satin yellow, stealth PPF. So we're matching it with KPMF, a color from KPMF, which is pretty much a perfect match. So we're gonna tear this off today, get it ready, and start wrapping. Pretty much, yeah, he just got bored of it. He loved the color at first, but he's just a flashy person, so he doesn't really like that it's dull at night. He wants it to pop more. So this yellow that we're doing is gonna do that for him. We did do this car in a matte ice titanium yellow that was also from KPMF a couple years back, but I never even posted that video or even on my page because I never got good pictures. So now will be a good time, a good opportunity for you guys to see this thing in yellow. He has the brake calipers in yellow, so those will match perfectly with the color. And yeah, so typical things with this, we have to take the carbon off the bumpers, these little pieces, the fender carbon pieces, and then that's it, the door handles, the spoiler, and unwrap this thing. So it was very short lived, this color. It was about 3-4 months because we did it at the end of last year around Christmas. But yeah, this is a really good customer of mine, and we just change the color out once a year at least. So we're gonna get down on this one, and I'll update you guys once it's unwrapped and ready to go. final update on the Urus, guys. This car came out insane. The color is very unique. A lot of people don't even use this wrap color, so it's definitely going to be one-on-one out there. Full unwrap, full rewrap in this, and we literally just did it 3 or 4 months ago before Christmas, and he already got bored of that one. It just wasn't cutting it for him. He just likes to be bright and flashy, and it's a Lamborghini, so I get it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, he just got bored. I do this car at least once a year, so this time it was a little bit quicker. But yeah, all the carbon pieces are back on. Spoilers, bumper pieces, fender pieces. Everything is looking really good. As usual, we match the fins front and back with the color. And then sensors I actually cut out this time because I'm just trying to make everything look as factory as possible lately. So usually I don't do it on this one because that bottom piece is part of the body kit and it's like flat. It's not painted, so I was worried that the wrap won't stick as well. But we did it, so we'll see how it holds up. And other than that, everything's the same, just fully wrapped. The hood came out amazing, always with this design. Down the middle with that one stripe and the sides. And yeah, this front end is really aggressive with the carbon pieces, the front fins done in the color as well. And yeah, everything came out amazing. So full rewrap, it's ready to go, it's coated, and hopefully he likes it. Obviously it's gonna be bright, crazy. He's gonna redo the calipers as well in the matching yellow, so we will see how that looks once it's done. But for now, I'm gonna take pictures how it is. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think the color matches the car. I mean, it's a Lamborghini, so you know what I'm saying. It's a Lamborghini's color, I think, is yellow, just like Ferrari's is red. So this color kind of suits it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think.